Hi, my name is Shalini and I am from Modern Plastic India, and right now we are standing at Bharat Mandapam PlastIndia 2026, which is the world's largest plastic exhibition. And right now we have Mr. Rajat Pandey, and he'll explain us about his company journey and will give us the brief introduction.
Hi, I'm Rajat Pandey. I'll be explaining about my company Comrado Aerospace. So we started as a developmental project in ISC Bangalore. Then under the guidance of Government of India, Department of Science and Technology and Ministry of Heavy Industry, we came so far that we have developed few products. Now I'll be telling more about my product. So first our flagship is Virat. It's a long range surveillance UAV and it can be modified for multi-purpose UAV also. So it has a endurance of 6 hours and flies at 110 km per hour, so it can cover up to 600 kilometers easily. Then coming to our next UAV, it is Aruna. It's a payload carrying UAV for high altitude operations. So we have already tested in Joshimath for high altitude operations for 3,500 meters above mean sea level. It can carry up to 8 kgs and travel up to 20 kilometers. Then coming that side are new products, which are, one is kamikaze drone. It is made to fit in a small pocket and it can be used to counter insurgents hiding in a closed space or a hut or bunkers. Then we have anti-vehicle kamikaze drone. This is Yodha 3. Uh, it has a range of 2 kilometers. The other one has a range of about 1 kilometers.
Wonderful. So you have covered your product range. Could you tell me the special features that makes your company really unique in itself?
So most of our product, if you see our flagship product, India currently don't have any indigenous product of this range. For long range surveillance and long range operations, generally we are importing drones from Israel and making it in India, and we brought out it cost by a factor of 10. So other thing is all our products are resilient and made for operation in Indian atmosphere. So from minus 30 to plus 50 degrees Celsius, and from sea level till high altitudes, somewhere around 5,000 to 6,000 meters above sea level.
Thank you so much for such information. I would just like to ask you the reason behind you coming here. What brought you here? So could you just tell me, like, why are you here?
So in UAV industry or any aerospace application, there is a need of materials that are high strength but low in weight. So if you see, most of UAVs are made of composite plastic. So this is made of carbon reinforced plastic. Those two are made of glass fiber reinforced nylon. So these kind of materials, if you see, are the development in plastic industries currently. So we are here to find new vendors from which we can get better materials, and also to find people who can help us in refining our process of manufacturing our drone.
So wonderful that you have mentioned everything about your product, your specification, and this is what makes your company really unique. And our best wishes with you. Hope to see you achieve great heights. Thank you very much.